Welcome to AmeenAcademy.com. Let us do Tamil Nadu Higher Secondary Second Year Maths Textbook 2019 onwards. Exercise 3.5. Question number 3. Solve 8x power 3 over 2n minus 8x power minus 3 over 2n equals 63. Here, let us write the equation here. 8x power 3 over 2n minus 8 x power minus 3 over 2n equal 63. Let x power 1 over 2n equal y. The equation becomes in terms of y like 8 y cube minus 8 over y cube equal 63. Now take 8 common, y cube minus 1 over y cube equal 63, which further y cube minus 1 over y cube equal 63 over 8. Now take LCM as y cube. Here y power 6, y cube into y cube is y power 6 minus 1 equal 63 over 8, which gives by cross multiplying we get 8 y power 6 minus 8 equal 63 y cube. Further 8 y power 6 minus 63 y cube minus 8 equal 0. Now let y cube equal t. Further the equation becomes 8t square minus 63t minus 8 equal to 0. Now the last term is minus 8 into 8 is minus 64, is the factors are minus 64 1. So the middle term is minus 63. Therefore 8t square minus 64t plus 1t minus 8 equal to 0. Then factorizing 8t is common and t minus 8 as well. 1 is common, t minus 8 equals 0, which is for the 8 first t minus 8 and 8t plus 1 equal to 0. Therefore t values are 8 comma minus 1 over 8. Now we got two values of t here. In case 1, when t equal 8, which gives y cube equal 8, which is given y cube equal 2 cube. Further y is 2. Now in second case t equal minus 1 over 8, which gives y cube equal minus 1 over 8. Further y cube equal minus 1 over 2 cube. Therefore further which is equal y is minus half. Now when y is 2, we let y is 2 means x power 1 power n, x power 1 over n, that is y, x 1 over 2n equal to, further x equal 2 power 2n, then which is further 2 square of n equal 4 power n. Then when y equal minus half and x power 1 over 2n equal minus half, further x equal minus half power 2n. So it becomes positive because 2 is even. So 1 over 2 power 1 over 2 power 2n. Therefore, we can get the values of x equal here 1 over 2 the square power n, that is 1 over 4 power n. So hence roots are 4 power n and 1 over 4 power n. Now let us do question 4. Solve 2 into square root of x over a plus 3 into square root of a over x equal b over a plus 6a over b. Here question number 4. The equation 2 into square root of x over a plus 3 into square root of a over x equal b over a plus 6a over b. Now put square root of x over a equal y. Then this equation becomes 2y plus 3 over y equal b over a plus 6a over b. Further equal, you can say ab is the LCM, then b square plus 6a square. Now further here also y is an LCM, that is 2y square plus 3 equal b square plus 6a square over ab is our equation. It becomes like, further by cross multiplying ab into 2y squared plus 3 equal y into b squared plus 6a square. Now open the bracket. 2ab y squared plus 3ab equal 3ab, then multiply and come one side, minus b square y plus 6 b square y 2ab b squared, then minus, here we'll do in order. Here 2ab y square minus y into b square plus 6a square plus 3ab equal to 0. It's a quadratic in terms of y square. Further, we can do this one as 2ab y square minus b square y minus 6a square y plus 3ab. Now, by is common. It becomes 2ay because y square is there minus b minus here factorizing it becomes 3 a is common here 2 ay minus b. Then here further taking common 2 ay minus b and by minus 3a equals 0. Then we have two factors here. Therefore, y we can write equal b over 2a and further here y equal 3a over b. Now in first case, then we'll get y equal b over 2a, which gives, already we have y equal square root of x over a equal b over 2a, squaring both sides x over a because square root is here is equal b square over 4a square. Therefore, x equal a go that side ab square over 4a square, which a cut 1 and it becomes b square over 4a is value 1. Then in case 2, y equal, we keep y equal 3a over 3a over b. Then y is already x over square root of x over a is 3a over b, squaring both sides we get x over a equal 9a square b square, which gives x equal 9a cube over b square. Therefore, roots are here b square over 4a comma 9a cube over b square. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.